Musamseleku said he can close houses for Mangwawe, Makumalo, and Mayeni in Durban to go back to stay in Musumbe. Musamseleku doesn't want his wives to leave Musumbe. Musamseleku brought houses for his wife in Durban. Even his late friend was asking Musamseleku, why did you buy houses for them in Durban when you don't want them to leave Musumbe? So Musamseleku brought houses for Mangwawe and Mayeni out of pressure. Musamseleku heard with some rumors that Makumalo brought a house. So Musamseleku rushed to have a loan to brought houses for other wives. He want people on social media to know that Musamseleku houses for all of them, not Makumalo. So now he is complaining that he can close houses for them. That's why Mangwawe was telling Musamseleku when they are at date that Musamseleku, he is always manipulative. Musamseleku brought Mercedes-Benz last time on season 4. So Musamseleku was always telling his wives that when you want to divorce me, you have to leave my cars, to leave my properties. You understand? Musamseleku always telling them when they made a small mistakes, he can tell them that I can took this is my property, this is my car, but he brought them as their cars. It's the way he is doing it. That's why Makumalo doesn't want to involve Musamseleku on a new house, because Musamseleku was always telling Makumalo, this is my house, like in Musumbe. You saw Makumalo's house in Musumbe. Musamseleku was always telling Makumalo, this is my house. But Makumalo was the one who helped Musamseleku. What he did Musamseleku to Makumalo's house is only to build the wall. Makumalo renovate that house. That's why you see Makumalo's house in Musumbe looking different than Mangwawe and Mayeni. Mayeni's house in Musumbe is not beautiful like Makumalo. But Musamseleku was always manipulative to them. That's why Makumalo doesn't allow Musamseleku to contribute. And she wants that freedom, Makumalo. Musamseleku said, I will close Makumalo's house. How he did close Makumalo's house? He says, I can close Makumalo's business, and Makumalo, she can sit down if she continued disrespecting me, what. Makumalo, now she is forward, guys. Makumalo, you've got more companies. Even he can try with his own means. Maybe the mine Makumalo, she is running. Yes, Makumalo, Musamseleku have a power to close Makumalo's mine if he want, because Makumalo opened the mine under Musamseleku's name. They know that Makumalo is Musamseleku's wife. Makumalo go to the chief, the owner of the village, those people. So Makumalo asked for the land that she wanted to have a business to those people under Musamseleku's name, because she knows as Musamseleku's wife. At that time, Musamseleku convinced Makumalo to open a mine. Musamseleku doesn't know that Makumalo can change, because Musamseleku was expecting that the whole family is going to benefit on that mine. But now the game changed. That's why Musamseleku says he can. Yes, when it comes to mine, Musamseleku have got a power to close that business, because Makumalo opened the mine under Musamseleku's name, and Musamseleku is being respected in Musumbe village. If you want, because there is an issue about people in Musumbe are complaining about the dust. So Musamseleku, if he decide to close that mine, he can do it. Even it's Makumalo's mine. So, but when it comes to her house in Durban, but if Musamseleku close Makumalo's mine, Makumalo doesn't have a child. Mpilo now, she is working. Makumalo can live without that mine. You've got a brand to advertise. Makumalo have got more followers on social media. She can live. Makumalo is earning a lot of money when it comes to brands. She is advertising on social media. So I don't understand. That's why now she is very bitter, because when it comes to Makumalo, even other brands of the cars he doesn't have an access.